Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox a kitchen organizer, which is kurtzy 3-tier pan and pot rack. Now let's assemble. For assembling, no tools are required, easy to assemble. This kurtzy 3-tier pan and pot rack is designed with a removable tray so that it can fit different sized cookware. Assembling is over, almost completed. Try it in the kitchen. Before, just like this. After organizing, I will show you how it will be look. After I placed my kitchen utensils, one big size cooker and mugdus and one more cooker, it will be look like this. It's very nice. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. See you in another video. Bye.